Hi guys! Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. And today, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-register ng GIGA Stories ni Talk and Text. So, basta break, mag-TikTok break sa bagong GIGA Stories ni Talk and Text. Enjoy 1 gig araw-araw sa IG, FB, and TikTok and more data. So, let's start! Okay guys, i-dial nyo lang ang asterisk 1, 2, 3, number sign, then call. Then select number 3, Giga, type 3, and click send. Select number 3, Stories, TikTok, plus FB, plus IG, type 3, and click send. Select number 5, 8 gig for 30 days. For only 499 pesos, type 5 and click send. You can get 8 gig plus 1 gig every day for IG, FB, TikTok for 30 days for only 499 pesos. To subscribe, type 1 and click send. Thank you. A text confirmation will be sent shortly. Remember to always use asterisk 123 number sign to get the latest and best offer of Talk and Text. That's it. And guys, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Thanks.